is about to end, so we decided to make a famous barbecue recipe. Lukman, can you guess what it is?
Peri peri chicken?
Guess again, because we already did that.
Steak?
Yes, steak. So let's go over to the ingredients. Here are the ingredients. 4 T-bone steaks, which weigh about 6 pounds. The juice of 2 limes. 2 tablespoons of crushed garlic. 2 tablespoons of organic mustard. 2 tablespoons of honey. 2 tablespoons of chili powder. 2 tablespoons of salt. 2 tablespoons of black pepper. 4 tablespoons of chili sauce. 4 tablespoons of coconut aminos. And if you are not on the paleo diet, you can use soy sauce. And 4 tablespoons of tamarind sauce.
I poured all the ingredients in one bowl and now let's whisk it.
After whisking all the ingredients, let's pour the mixture onto the steak so we can marinate it. Wash your hands prior to marinating the steaks. After marinating the steaks, keep it in the fridge for 6 hours or overnight to get the best flavor.
It has been more than 6 hours. Let's grill the steak.
Let's go outside to barbecue. If you are using charcoal, preheat the charcoal for 15 minutes. The charcoal is ready. Let's start grilling. Let's grease the grill with some oil so the steak doesn't stick to the grill. Appearance helps to do this because sparks may come when you're greasing it. Let's put the steaks for grilling. Oil the steaks so they don't stick to the grill. Turn them and oil the other side. Let's oil the other side now. Let's close the lid and let it cook till 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It's almost 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's open the lid and flip it and then let it cook till it reaches 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It's almost 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's open the lid and check the steaks. Steaks are almost done. Let's move it to the top rack and let it cook on low heat. Let's close the lid and let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Steaks are ready. Let's take them inside and try them out.
So excited to try the steaks.
Yummy! It's really juicy and really delicious.
Juicy and delicious.
Thank you all for watching. Stay tuned for more healthy recipes. Bye.
Bye.
Hello everyone. Summer is about to end. Hello everyone. Welcome back. Summer